Welcome to the guide on bridging USDC from the base Sepolia testnet to wrapped USDC on the Super testnet. Let's get started. First, connect your MetaMask wallet and ensure it's connected to the base Sepolia testnet. Currently, MetaMask is the only supported wallet for the source network. You'll need to have USDC and ETH in your MetaMask wallet on the base Sepolia testnet to proceed with the bridge. Next, it's time to connect your Super Starkey wallet as the destination wallet. Make sure your Super wallet is set up on the Super testnet to receive the bridged USDC. Now, we need to add a custom token to both wallets. In your MetaMask wallet, add the USDC token on the base Sepolia testnet. You will find the token address below, as well as on your My Rewards page below the tokens for the trading game. After that, add the wrapped USDC token to your Super Starkey wallet. Again, you'll find the address to copy below and in your My Rewards page. Before you proceed, you'll need USDC and ETH on the base Sepolia testnet. To get USDC, visit the USDC faucet. You can find the link below and make sure to select the base Sepolia network from the drop-down. Enter your address, and you will get the USDC on the base Sepolia testnet in your wallet. Now, to get base Sepolia ETH, visit the base Sepolia ETH faucet. You can find the link below for the same. If you are not logged in, please log in first and then enter your address to get base Sepolia ETH to cover transaction fees. Your testnet base Sepolia ETH will be visible in your wallet. Once your MetaMask wallet to base Sepolia testnet and Super Starkey wallet to Super testnet are connected, you're ready to bridge. Select the amount of USDC you want to bridge from base Sepolia testnet to Super testnet and click the transfer button and approve the transaction. Your USDC from base Sepolia testnet will be bridged as wrapped USDC on the Super testnet, and that's it. You've successfully bridged USDC from the base Sepolia testnet to the Super testnet as wrapped USDC.